If you're between 18 and 25, listen carefully. Right now, you're at the age where your choices decide your future. And honestly, most people waste these years without even noticing. Scrolling your phone all day, waking up late, saying, "I'll start tomorrow," again. You might feel lost, behind, or unsure what to do. That's okay. I've been there. And today, I'll show you exactly how to stop wasting time and take control of your life. Most students start their day in autopilot. Alarm rings, you check your phone first, then scroll and scroll and scroll. Science shows your brain is most focused in the morning. When you scroll immediately, your brain gets a dopamine flood, quick happiness, but it kills long-term focus. By 10 a.m., you already feel tired, unmotivated, behind. Do this instead. Don't touch your phone for the first 30 minutes. Wash your face, make your bed, write one important task for the day. Small wins in the morning equal huge progress later. Between classes, work, or study sessions, distractions are everywhere. Notifications, social media, random videos. They're designed to steal your attention. Here's the truth. Every phone interruption takes 20 minutes to regain focus. So if you keep checking your phone, you feel busy, but you achieve nothing. Quick fix: keep your phone in another room. Study in 25 to 50-minute blocks. Use a timer, no music with lyrics, and no notifications. You'll feel exhausted at first. That's normal. Focus is like a muscle. You train it. 18 to 25 is the perfect time to build habits that will carry you for life. Most people think habits are boring, but boring habits are what make winners. Examples: wake up at the same time every day. Exercise, even for 10 minutes. Write down what you learned today. Science says consistent small habits change your brain wiring. Your future self will thank you. Before bed, most students scroll or binge videos. This kills sleep and memory. And mentally, you compare yourself to everyone online, feeling behind, lost, or anxious. Instead, spend 10 minutes reflecting. What went well today? What can I improve tomorrow? Write one goal for tomorrow. Silence trains your mind. Growth happens in quiet, not in constant noise. Your 18 to 25 years are not too late, but they are short. Every hour you waste is an hour your future self loses. Every decision to scroll, procrastinate, or stay passive builds habits that follow you for years. Ask yourself, is this action helping me grow or just keeping me comfortable? Start answering that question every day. It changes everything. Feeling lost doesn't mean you're behind. It means you're human. The moment you take control, your mornings, your focus, your habits, everything starts to shift, slowly but surely. Your age is your superpower. Use it wisely. Start building small wins today. Focus on growth, build habits, protect your time. If this helped you, like this video so more students see it. Subscribe for real advice that actually changes your life. And share this with someone who needs to hear it before it's too late. Your future starts now. Don't waste it.